Friends, I'm Sean. This is a Fix Mom channel. So today I want to show you which glue is good for the stone. So this is all the glue. We're gonna test all of them to see this metal is gonna stick to the stone. We're gonna see which one is good. So this track is for the LED light. We have to install the LED light under the water fountain. So I want to know which glue is good. He's gonna hold this track better. So let's start it. I clean the surface with the alcohol, and I clean all of this with the alcohol. So I'm gonna test each of them and mark. We left the glue overnight. Now we're gonna test it. So the first one is J-B Weld. Is this one. So yeah, it's pretty hard. So second one is this one, flex glue. Yeah, that wasn't good. Third one is the coat. Is this one. Let's try it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Another coat. Nope. This one wasn't good at all. So this one. Adhesive cement. It's moving, but it's not coming off. So, and the last one is J-B. Oh, that's pretty good. So to all this, I think these two J-B is the best.